The youth them start get more wiser. The youths them awareness start growing. Possibilities becomes more and more than it was 15 or 20 years ago. So the youths them start see a different way out, a better Jamaica. Them start see ways how to create wealth, how to make Jamaica the best place on earth. I may take an opportunity for what it's worth. Rest assured, our next generation starts see a brighter future ahead. Them stop and see the bad man culture and be attracted to it. Them start see a progressive lifestyle. Them start see a lifestyle with family, creating wealth, what can last for generations to come. In the realest way. So if this approach I may have to take to give you that assurance to let you know that yes, we are here on the ground as Jamaican, especially the young youths them. What they strive to make Jamaica the best that we know it can be. Show them what going on. Yeah, 2 remote control. Yeah, remote control you use to program the TV from channel to channel. Yeah. Use them done with the gun and the badness because them say nothing now in it progressive. Yeah. Right now we don't need an next prison for a building at Jamaica. What we need to see are the prisoners them get rehabilitated and come back into society, come be better role models. That's what we want to see. We want to see more factories so we can produce more and be more independent as a nation of people with pride, with dignity, confidence, self-esteem and a sense of morality in the realest way.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.